Being one of the hottest Canary Islands, Gran Canaria is a great place for some winter sun. But if you get bored of drinking honey rum and laying in the sun, it's got a fun fair. You're watching Ride Comparisons and we're here today at Holiday World in Gran Canaria. So let's dive straight in. Okay, so it's completely dead. We're just trying to find the entrance at the moment. As you can see, they've got a bowling alley next door and there's also a little sports bar and loads of little bars if you're coming for that. So it seems to be that Holiday World is this whole complex. You got arcades, you got a bowling alley over there, but the bit we're checking out today is just over here. It's called Woodland Fun Park. So if you look online, it says it's open 12 until 12, but obviously there will be different parts of it. The actual Woodland Fun Park today is open 4 to 11, so make sure you ring ahead. I wouldn't go by what it says online. Whilst we're waiting, it would be rude not to. Okay, so we're finally open. It costs 13 euros each. Let's go see what the park has to offer. It looks like they've got one roller coaster, so I think we're going to start off with that. That looks like quite a fun little flat ride. Not quite the Gerstlauer arrows, but yeah, same principle by the looks of it. Okay, so we found a roller coaster called Rollercoaster. Unfortunately, the manufacturer is unknown, but let's go give it a go. You're watching Ride Comparisons and this is a roller coaster called Rollercoaster. This reminds me of Python at Efteling. Probably runner-up for the world's slowest lift hill. There we go, definitely runner-up. Beautiful landscapes over Gran Canaria. Here we go. For a little fun fair roller coaster, it wasn't actually that bad. It was a bit of fun, especially that really sharp little helix section there. So next up, we got a big wheel. Let's see if we can get some awesome sights from the top. Okay, so here we go, up on the big wheel. Not too much of a scary one, but offering some awesome sights of Mas Palamas. And I've just seen something incredible. The pirate ship has cages on the side, an experience I've never done. That's going to be interesting. I've seen these before, but I've never got the chance to experience one. Just so you know what it is, guys, it's your standard pirate ship, but instead of sitting down, you got cages on either side. Okay. Okay, so here we go. See what it's like. It's kind of like being in a lift. See if we get some stand-up air time, do a little jump. Hey, oh my god. Oh, That is quite scary. Whoa! It was worth paying the 13 euros just to do that. What an experience, guys. So the trick of it seems to be, hold on to the front of the cage. When you get to the top, jump and lean forwards, and you sort of just fly for about like 1.5 seconds. A lot of fun. Now let's go give the planes a little go. Much like the Joust planes, you've got the same aerodynamics. Let's see how many flips I can get. Okay, so here we are. The trick of these rides, guys, is to sort of adjust the wings either side so you can get loads of flips. I'm absolutely terrible at it, and my brother's a lot better at it. Okay, here we go. Oh, nearly. Hey, oh, no. We got one. We got two. We got three. We got four. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god. 9. Oh god, I'm starting to feel sick. 10. Oh my god. 11, 12. I think 13. I've lost count. Oh no. Ah! Oh my god. Whoa. I've never been this dizzy ever. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, these things are insane. Oh, can't swear in the vlog. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's madness. And there's so much room, I'm just flying about. It's crazy. Whoa. Whoa. Ow. Ow. I don't know how bloodshot my eyes look, but that was absolutely insane. Now I know how Jacob felt when we went to Tripstrill. Absolutely insane. Oh my god, definitely go on those, guys. Obviously, because of the amount of flips I got, I prefer those to the normal Joust flyers. Wow, oh my god. Okay, so we've got some singing bulls. Okay, I've never done this before. Oh my god, this park's full of experiences. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? What is this? Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I'm off. I'm down, I'm down. Oh. Oh. That was absolutely hilarious. With all these new experiences, this is probably one of the better fun fairs I've actually been to. I was not expecting that today. Now we've got what looks like floating bumper cars. There was a slight queue for the bumper cars, so I'll just show you this bit, guys. It's a little indoor area for the smaller kiddies. Okay, this is interesting. Oh my god. Okay. Here we go. The pedal. This is interesting. Oh no, oh no, oh no. It's time for a joust. Didn't do much. I look like a dwarf. 1 minute theme park. It's time for a back row ride on roller coaster. 360 theatre. It looks like we've got a good old-fashioned simulator. Hopefully not VR, because I'm not very good with motion sickness. Oh my god, that simulator was horrible, wasn't it?
Painful.
It was painful and the 3D was so bad. Oh god. That with the planes, I think this park's trying to kill me. That pretty much brings our vlog to a close, guys. Usually, with little fun fairs or little attractions like this, I will always say it's worth doing if you're in the area, but with the one today, I'm going to say it's definitely worth coming out your way for. With so many unique attractions like the balls, the cages on the pirate ship, floaty bumper cars, it's been a very good park, hasn't it?
Yeah, it does.
So we got a cocktail bar up here at the top. So for adults, if you're bringing your kiddies, you can sort of sit up here while they run around and repeat all of the attractions. And that's it, guys. If you did enjoy today's vlog, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time. Also, just to add, it's open till midnight, so rides in the dark.